Hey everyone, welcome back to Drillingnerd, your go-to source for simple and practical home improvement ideas. I am John, and today let's explore some neat tricks to enhance your small apartment bedroom. These decor ideas will not just make your space look better but also feel more spacious. Stick around as we uncover these tips and tricks. Cozy corners. To make the most of your compact bedroom, think about crafting a snug corner. Arrange your bed, a nightstand, a gentle lamp, and a few plush pillows in one designated corner. This not only conserves valuable floor space but also introduces a sense of solution and warmth to your room. Simplicity wins. Simplify your bedroom for a more expensive feel. Embrace a minimalist aesthetic, favoring neutral tones like pristine, white, or calming beige. Infuse vibrant bursts of color through carefully chosen accent pieces like stylish rugs, captivating paintings, or lively plants. This not only cultivates a fresh and airy ambience but also streamlines the cleaning and organizing process effortlessly. Functional spaces. Boost the versatility of your space by introducing a desk. Opt for a compact or foldable desk that seamlessly transforms into a functional workspace. Vanity or even a nightstand. Elevate the practicality and style of your room by integrating shelves, drawers, or baskets for essential storage solutions. This not only enhances the functionality of your bedroom but also adds a touch of flair to its overall aesthetic. Clever storage solutions. Maximize your space and elevate organization through tailored space-efficient storage solutions. Leverage vertical areas such as wall, doors, and windows to their full potential. Incorporate a selection of shelves, cabinets, hooks, or rods for neatly stowing away your clothes, shoes, bags, or jewelry. Maintain a polished and personalized ambience by utilizing baskets, boxes, or bins to ensure a clutter-free environment. Transforming nooks. Ignite your creativity by transforming overlooked spaces such as closets, nooks, or window seats. Elevate them into charming reading corners, serene meditation spot, styling dressing areas, or intimate mini lounges. Infuse a personal touch with plush cushions, cozy blankets, ambient lights, or a vibrant plot to cultivate an irresistibly inviting atmosphere. That's a wrap for today. We hope these ideas inspire your small apartment bedroom decor. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home improvement tips. Visit Drillingnerd.com for additional ideas. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Bye.